guys, so I want to introduce you to my new listing. The address here is 14071 Heritage Landing Boulevard, and it's unit 314. So excited to show you this one. Okay, we are on the ground floor. So we've got front row parking. We've got mailboxes right outside, trash receptacles right outside, and we are just steps away from the satellite pool. So very convenient in the community. As you come in, you step right into the kitchen. So it's a nice open floor plan with a view right out the back. We've got the crown molding, the granite countertops. We've got the 42-inch white cabinetry with a little trim up there as well. Pantry over here, tons of counter space, right? Under cabinet seating over here, as well as along this side of the peninsula too. So over here though, we're gonna veer off to our guest suite. Over here, we've got our guest bedroom. This is a queen size bed just for reference. And we've got the 2 chest of drawers and room for, you know, extra seating and, cabinet or dresser or something. This is your linen closet, your mechanics closet here. You've got your guest bath with your, again, your granite, your tile floors. We've got the tub shower combination. And over here, we have the full-size washer and dryer that's conveniently tucked away inside this closet, so it's out of the way, but you do have that full-size feature of the washer and dryer, so it's fabulous. Okay, into our dining room, and it naturally flows into the living as well. Now, she has a decent amount of furniture, but we're not crowded in here. There's still plenty of room to move around, entertain guests and friends, okay? We're gonna go into the primary suite. I need to point out too, that this homeowner, she upgraded the flooring. So we don't, other units are gonna have carpet most of the time in their bedrooms, and this homeowner upgraded the flooring, so we have the tile throughout, and it's a nice seamless transition. You never know, and it looks fantastic. Okay, primary bedroom. We've got a king size bed, 2 chests of drawers, room for a cabinet here as well. 2 walk-in closets. Here's our ensuite. We've got the pocket door for privacy. We've got the glass shower door here, again with the granite, and then a linen closet over here. So lots of storage, lots of space. You're all set there. Okay, best for last. Let's go. Oh, and we got the gator out showing himself. Okay, so we have this screened-in lanai. So the buggies stay out there, but we're going to check this out because you have this water. You see our gator. Love him. You're on the 11th hole here. Again, comes with that coveted deeded golf. And then beyond that, that preserve is, that's environmentally protected land and part of our CDD. So that's going to stay there. They're not going to like bulldoze those trees down. So you get this fantastic view and all the wildlife as well. Okay, let's go inside and talk about the community quick. I love it. I would just sit out here with my coffee and my wine and just stare at that gator and have conversations with him about life. Okay, so Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club, definitely a golf community, which of course you're going to have full access to all of that. So that's really fun. You can be a part of the tournaments and games and leagues and things like that. You also have the social membership, which comes automatically, and that's going to be your tiki bar, your clubhouse, your resort pool, 5 satellite pools. One of them, again, is just steps away across the street. You also have, what am I missing? Pickleball, tennis, bocce ball, and all kinds of social activities that the social director prepares for us. And so we all get to meet each other, know our neighbors, and have a good time living here. Because it's not just about, you know, the condo itself. It's about the community and the environment and the friendships that you make. So if you're interested in this kind of property, contact me. Go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, follow me. You guys know what to do. But let's talk about your wish list.